Alright, welcome back. My name is Jason, and I build things entirely out of duct tape. This thing is 100% duct tape. So today, I think I'm ready to start on some details, the red and the wings. So I'll just line that up here. I've got a little bit of dark red left, so I hope that'll be enough. My goal is to lay down some thick sheets and then cover it with the lines to get the right dimensions and stuff. So some models have a whole bunch of red and some don't have any at all. Well, I do want red, so I'm just gonna use this as a reference. Alright, that looks good enough. Let's move on. Just kidding. My plan is to layer on the lines over the red. I figured that'd be easier than trying to cut out the individual red squares. I see all the bottoms being red and all the tops being just green. I just traced out some guides for myself. Okay. Definitely not perfectly symmetrical. It's close enough. Now, I'll add some details. I feel like I did a whole lot of nothing today. But be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you like what I'm doing. I think that makes it time to replace the blade. Here I just cut really thin strips of duct tape. I'm just going to outline the red with them. Okay, I got the outline done. Let's figure out our pattern. Yep, just cutting small strips, making my way towards the edge. It's just easier to place a long piece and trim off the excess. Get a piece to fit on the first try. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Once I figured out that they all kind of angle to the same spot and have 3 different zones that do the same thing, it got easier. But this is definitely the resistance part of the build. Everything is like much more challenging just to start. Alright, I think I'm going to pause and think about this for a little bit, but I'll catch you on the next one.